Good afternoon, everybody. This is Jim Beloga, President and CEO of Porter-Chester Institute and YTI Career Institute. I'm here with one of our students, Pete, and our plumbing faculty member, Bernie. And they're actually in the basement of my house. If you look on the ground, this 22-year-old natural gas hot water tank is now about to burst. And we've got another hot water tank coming its way to replace the 75-gallon unit. I'm going to turn it over to Bernie.
We have to drain the tank, obviously. Put the gas lines out. We're going to be changing everything out. We're changing out the flue pipe. We're going to be changing out the water lines, putting in new valves. All right, we got a 75-gallon water heater, and obviously that's a lot of water. So Pete, we're going to use the transfer pump. We're going to help drain that water a lot quicker. So let it go. Got the water drained down. Now Pete's going to cut into the line. Now that we got the hot and the cold water cut, the pipes are cut, they're isolated, we know there's no water coming in, we're ready to prep the new water heater. Yep, we finished up the 75-gallon water heater. It's all done, little pro press. We ran into a few problems.
It's our first time doing it. We learned from the mistakes.
Getting more comfortable with the tools and actually seeing what it's like.
Well, we're now done. It was an exciting couple of hours. I think it took a little longer than we thought, but great learning experience. If you're interested in learning more about plumbing, can't guarantee that you're going to be doing real installations in my house, but go to porterchester.edu.